What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be doing a little kitchen organization. If you've seen the past couple of videos, I've been going after this kitchen. We are in full spring cleaning mode. We did the pantry, we did a little DIY on the kitchen, painted the backsplash, the cabinets. So now I want to get it just perfect and just how I want it. Part of that is going to be organizing some of the drawers and cabinets in here. When we first moved into this house, it was kind of like, get everything put away. There's really no rhyme or reason to it. It was just throw it in a drawer in a cabinet, we're good. Now that it's been a couple of months, I'm ready to just get things really organized. So I bought a few things on Amazon. I'll show you guys. First up, got some drawer liners for the spices. One of these trays to go in a drawer. I have some of the spices up there. I don't think it's gonna work up there, but I showed you guys this a couple videos ago. I've had these for like a month now. They're from Target, these little spice jars. You can even order some on Amazon. There's some that have like cool wooden tops on them. I liked these though, because oops, I'll show you why I like them. This actually has a little thing on the top. Some didn't have, well, I don't even know what this is called, but some didn't have this on the top of it. And I'm like, I do not trust myself with spices not having that little thing on the top of it. So I got those. Those are from Target. I think everything else is from Amazon. We've got our little labels that match our pantry labels. Those are for the spices. I found this too. If this doesn't work out, like size-wise, I also found this on Amazon. So this is for organizing spices in a drawer. You can kind of like cut this to the length that you want. Whatever I don't use, I'll return, but this I thought was really cool. I keep seeing this on Instagram. I was like, I think I need this. So this is actually for like plastic wrap and foil. I don't know if you can tell like on the back, these photos that it has on here. There's more that you can get too. I've seen a lot for like little baggies and things like that. And guys, they're kind of expensive. I'm sort of surprised by that. So right now I just have those. I might add on later if I really like these and get the ones for the baggies. But anyway, that's what I got for now. I also got these little drawer dividers. I'll just show you the photo here. This I'm thinking is going to be great for like all my utensils. This drawer right here, everything is just thrown in there, complete mess. Bamboo dish rack. This is actually, I think 2 come in here. I'm pretty sure that's what it said. This I actually got for organizing my pans and like the little pot tops. You guys are resting on something. There's one more thing. The last thing. This is going to be for under the sink. This little thing right here. This little doodad. So see how it goes. This will just be a nice little start to all of my organizing in the kitchen. We can always do more, right? But this will be a very good start for today, and it'll tackle some of my main problem areas here in the kitchen. I will have links for everything down below in the description box if you guys are doing some organizing. A lot of these things would be great for even drawers in your bathroom, bedroom, closet, whatever. But let's get started. I think the first thing I'm gonna tackle is this spice cabinet. I think this is the thing I've been talking about the longest. It's the most visible because the cabinets are just glass. I originally bought this little guy from Target, and I might still keep this here just to keep maybe the salt and pepper on or something. I don't know. It doesn't really, it's not working for here. As you can tell, some things don't fit. And yeah, this just doesn't look pretty. So we are going to take this all out. I'm gonna sort things into those jars, label them, put them in a drawer, and we'll see how that goes. I have all of of the labels on. I didn't have enough for the rest of the minced onion and my bay leaves, but honestly, I never use this, so I'll just put this in my back stock bin in the pantry. These are all really, really great. And I was just talking about vanilla, and there's like even a little vanilla one in here. So I could do something with that. Maybe get like a cute little jar for that. But yeah, they have tons. And I do have my chicken bouillon in the pantry. Like maybe I could make that cute. So I will hold on to these. These are really nice. One thing I will say, if you guys are going to do this with your spices, get a little funnel or something to put in here. I don't know why I didn't think about that. If you don't want to waste any of your spices, then that would be very helpful. I kind of did a little makeshift one, but if you're gonna do it, that's my suggestion. We have this drawer, which is a disaster. So I think what I'm going to do here, I got some of these, and these can kind of just squeeze in there. 4 comes in the pack, and I'll probably line it too, and then maybe purge anything that I'm not using. It's the next day. I'm gonna give you guys a little overview of the completed organization in my kitchen. Honestly, it just makes me really happy. I'm gonna share with you guys everything, and I think it all looks pretty good. Okay, little kitchen overview. Now, I did not do every single drawer. I did the important ones. There were some that I just felt like weren't that bad and didn't bother me. This is our trash right here, but above it, this was our junk drawer. I don't know if I showed a clip of how bad this was. This was like overflowing, couldn't even like open or close it. You know, sometimes you just get those papers and you just like shove them in a drawer. That's what this drawer was. It was bad. Okay, here we go. This is what it looks like now. Looks so good, right? Just literally a few things. I wasn't even planning on doing the junk drawer. That was not something I really wanted to tackle, but I had a couple extra of these, and honestly, I just think it looks so good. So really, really happy with that. This drawer right here was all of our utensils, like kitchen utensils, and it was just overflowing. I did get rid of a few things, purged a few things that I never use, and this is what it looks like now. There's still quite a bit here. Like, I really don't need 2 sets of measuring cups. Maybe I can get rid of one. See, when we moved, I couldn't find these, so I bought just like some random ones. So we really don't need 2 sets, but for some reason I do like use them both. I really like the way the liners make everything like stay in place too and not just like move around. But these right here, if you buy anything, get these, because these are great for like your kitchen, bathroom, really any drawer in your house. I don't think I showed you guys these drawers. I didn't actually tackle these. These just have like pans and a couple random things in them. This drawer at the bottom has all of our storage containers. I guess I could make this more organized, but I don't feel like it's that bad, so I didn't really do anything about that. This drawer, silverware, was already pretty good. This one, we're not gonna go in there. It's not messy, but a miscellaneous "we're lost in life" cabinet. This one right here, I'm gonna continue working on it, but I'm loving it so far. Lined it and then got these, which now that I have these, I wasn't even sure if I was gonna like these, because I was like, does it even cut the aluminum foil or plastic wrap very good? Guys, it cuts it so good, and I actually feel like it's way easier than having it in the little cardboard thingy. Whenever I would cut my plastic wrap, it's like it never was a clean cut every time. Get this. This is so good. To be honest, it was kind of expensive for Amazon. I want to say this was like $40 or something. So I was a little hesitant. I was like, oh, is this going to be good? I'm obsessed. So now I want to get more. And then I also want to get the ones that hold little baggies and storage bags and stuff. And I'll give you guys another update once I order more of that, but I'm seriously obsessed with this. Under the sink, I feel like it's not too much of a change, because I really don't feel like it was that bad. But I kind of reorganized this little guy right here. We just have things that we need now, and I really like this. I'm definitely thinking about getting one of these for my bathroom or something. So it's really nice, has a little pull out, and then I just have like trash bags and sponges, and then my drying mat over there. But yeah, I love this. I think I want to get one for my bathroom. This is another cabinet that's a little lost. Just some random pans. It's lost, but that's okay. I almost forgot to show you guys this. I organized these little guys. I got a little cake carrier back there. And then these are all of my pots and pans back there, which are now on one of those wooden organizers too. People use those wooden organizers I saw in the reviews on Amazon for tons of different things. If I was using those pans all the time, I wouldn't have them back there, but I am not kidding you. I don't use them. Ever since I got this pan, I literally have never used my pans, unless it's like an emergency and I'm doing like two things at the same time for some reason, but I never really am. So yeah, love this pan. What else? Guys, I feel like I should do something with that still. And this cabinet, okay, we did not get this perfect, okay? This still needs a little work. I kept, oh, why did I put that there? Okay, I kept this, and I just randomly put a label on that. I guess I could put labels on these because I just took the wrappers off of these. I was actually looking up on Amazon. You can get some little clear containers for like almond extract, vanilla extract. I still need to get something for the olive oil, salt. There's a few things up there that need some help. This, we have our little pot holders. I lined all of these drawers. This is probably, ooh, it was probably my favorite. This was like the most satisfying. Literally perfect. So I'm glad I went with this wood one, the wood little insert, instead of that other thing I showed you guys at the beginning of the video. But yeah, I haven't had a problem with anything moving, especially having those liners in here. Hopefully I don't get any more spices. And then, let's see, this, just like some spatulas and stuff. Here, I think I just have a couple candles down there. Yeah, nothing crazy, but that is it. The kitchen is feeling good, and I'm very happy. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this little organization video. I have so many more areas of my house that I could do this if you guys are interested in seeing more things like this. Everything was really affordable, all from Amazon. I'll have links down below for all of it. And it's feeling good to just kind of purge some things and organize some things. I hope it inspires you guys too to do a few things that you've been wanting to do around your place. But I hope you guys are doing great. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you really soon in my next video.